Hello guys, good morning. Today I am going to talk about Endurance Technologies, who reported very strong numbers last week. The Q4 profitability as well as revenues grew more than about 65 to 70% on a YY basis, and this was based on the strong the business that the company is having with most of its clients. Its order book in the domestic markets is close to about 12,500 crores. Let me tell you that in the domestic markets the company is having a revenue contribution of about 73% to be specific, and about 27% comes from the European markets. In the domestic markets, it has got all the two-wheeler companies as its major clients, among which Bajaj contributes about 38% of its top line, and second is RE, third is Yamaha, then comes HMSI, TVS and HMCL. TVS has recently given them a very strong order in the alloy casting business, and that is because the country is banning Chinese products in that specific field. Secondly, HMSI and HMCL have also ramped up their business with Endurance, and in line with this the company is expanding its capacities at various plants, and that is because the company is market leader in providing brakes, front forks, inverted front forks, suspension products, alloy wheels, die castings, etc., aluminum die castings to be specific. And it has market share close to about 40%, 30%, 50% in most of its products that it is functioning in, and is a very strong company in the field of providing suspension and brakes products. Secondly, I would also like to mention that the company is increasing its content per vehicle in most of its clients, and if you see in the 200 plus cc motorcycles, the company has got a very strong tie-up with acquisitions that the company has done with Adler and Gremica in last year, that they are providing the technology support to them, and due to this the company will be definitely gaining on the margin fronts. Current margins are close to 17 to 18% in the domestic markets, and equal in the European markets as well. Now, talking about Europe, it has got presence in the four-wheeler aluminum die casting products for electric vehicles as well as hybrid vehicles, and most of its clients are BMW, Audi, Porsche, Volkswagen, Chrysler, Fiat, etc. So with whom the company has got strong tie-ups and relationships since ages. So over there also the margins are quite intact, and we believe that with increasing businesses with these companies, it is quite hedged for the near term, short term headwinds that all the automobile companies are facing. So I think that this is one of the strongest automobile ancillary company that we are seeing in India, and who has got a very strong presence in the European markets as well. So from all point of view, it looks like a very attractive bet at this point in time. So we are recommending a buy rating on the stock with a target close to 1612. Thank you.